Hi, I'm Dick Knowles. When people have created their process Enneagram and have become clear on who they are and what it is they want to do, and have co-created their principles and standards, they are then able to address the issues and ambiguities that are facing them, the barriers that are keeping them from achieving their goals. These can be things like the dyad of production and safety, home life and work life, quality and cost. These are either-or situations, and they tend to get resolved by compromise, where we come out with less than we came in with, by brute force, where I give in to the boss, I just get tired and give up, struggling with the other person. All these give us less than is possible. But if we can bring in a third force, we can have both and rather than either or. And this third force comes out of the principles and standards we've co-created. These can be things like listening, agreeing to help each other, searching for the truth, apologizing for mistakes, continuing to explore together these ambiguities of production and cost, or home life and work life. Bringing in this third force helps us to come out with something more than we ever thought was possible. Imagine ourselves on a multicolored beach ball, and I'm on the green stripe and you're on the red stripe. From the green stripe, I can see some things you can see, but I also see some things you can't see. And the same is true for you. We each have a different slice of reality. And if we can talk together, using our principles and standards, and listen and help each other, we can get a bigger picture of what is out there and develop a better opportunity for coming up with good solutions. When I was at the first East-West Conference of Leadership and Learning in Penang, Malaysia in 2011, I heard a wonderful quote. And that was that almost all wars, disagreements, fights, persecutions are the result of partial truth being the whole truth. We need to search together, recognizing we only have partial truths, and bring in our conversations and learn together. In the next video, I'll share some wonderful success stories that came out of this way of being able to work and live together.